I wish more of our essentials were locally sourced. Me too. Quality and fairness matter. Yep, it makes a big difference.
%30 deposit bad. Production begins.
Shenzhen, China, Himpersactine, manufacturing hub.
Pass. 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 Pass.
Keep stacking, just a few more. We're almost full. Let's lock it up.
Analyzing commercial invoice. Checking packing list. Export declaration confirmed. Shipment cleared.
Port of LA Tentau, USA's largest import gateway.
Okay, scan coming in now.
Checking manifest against the image.
Looks clean. Hit cleared.
Submitting.
Understanding import duty calculation. First, calculate the CIF value. Product value plus shipping cost plus insurance equals CIF value.
Submitted. Now we wait for the release. Yes, released. Excellent.
Your shipment Klein. Container #XXXX. Access granted. Route to inland warehouse, 60 miles east. Loaded. Intermodal rail TEM. 2,000 miles in 3 days. 2,000 miles in just 3 days to Chicago.
Keep them coming. Box for station 3. Scanning. Plus 500 units added. All clear.
Thank you so much. No problem. Have a great day.
Open it up.
Wow, it's the Lego set!
Look at that.
Surprise! Thank you.
The US dollar, the dominant global trade currency. Trade routes radiate outward. $1 equals 7.2. Timeline scrolls left to right. Tariff bars rise and fall at key dates. Each major event has a small policy document icon. Final state shows current tariff level. Minutes. Cargo loaded, plane door closes. Plane taxis and takes off into night sky. Route map, Beijing to Chicago, 14 hours.
Over 1 billion de minimis packages entered the U.S. in 2023.
Like and share if you learned something new. Subscribe to Zupity Zoo English.